Welcome to juliesapron.com. Grab your apron and let's make something delicious. With just 4 simple ingredients, you can easily make this blueberry puff pastry dessert and look like a pastry chef to your friends and family. No one has to know how easy it was to make. So let's see which ingredients we'll need for this recipe. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cut your puff pastry into 1-inch cubes. Bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. While the puff pastry is baking and cooling, let's make the cream. Add the Cool Whip and condensed milk into a bowl of an electric mixer. Then beat that on medium to high speed until it's well incorporated. Once the cream is ready and the puff pastry has cooled, add the puff pastry pieces into the cream. Mix it together, making sure the cream coats all pieces of the puff pastry. Into a serving dish, put half of the puff pastry and cream mixture on the bottom of the dish. Top with some blueberries, and then add the remaining of the mixture of puff pastry and cream. Garnish with some mint and let the puff pastry absorb the cream, become softer, and absorb the flavor of the cream. Serve in about 2 hours or the next day for a hassle-free dessert. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit juliesapron.com for more recipes like this.